Welcome back to Lucid Son of Anarchy YouTube channel. Here I'm going to show you how I changed my $165 helmet into a $1,300 helmet for video blogging. You would have seen a few video bloggers before telling you how they've set up their helmet. This is mine. I set up with the latest equipment. I've got the ideas of other people, but I've gone one step further than what they have. So here I am with the latest Sena 50S headset. They have an app on your phone. I use a splitter so I can run the mic across to my camera. I have a GoPro 9. This is why it's so expensive. But you see a lot of people using earbuds, which is illegal in Victoria. So what I've done, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. No, you can't. I'm using JBL speakers for a cardio setup. They have a 3.5 mic jack, so I can just plug in my splitter. They're a really excellent speaker. Like, they're an upgrade speaker. They're nearly $200. But I hooked one up to an MP3 player, and what an awesome sound. So that's what I've done. Thank you for watching.